Hello everyone, it's the 6th of April 2020. It's a Monday and it's our second day of Unit 16, Life in the Future. Lesson 2, we will be discussing to plus adjective. Please get ready with your pupil's book. Open it to page 84 as well as your workbook. Turn it to page 94. This is Miss Marlin. I will guide you through today's lesson. Here are the objectives. 1. Unlock word meanings through picture cues and description. 2. Use to plus adjective correctly in constructing a sentence. 3. Construct sentences using to plus adjective. Here are the new words that you will encounter in today's lesson. I will read the word once and repeat after me. To, spaceship, film, soft, skyscraper. Again, here are the new words. To, spaceship, film, soft, skyscraper. First word is to. To means to a higher degree than is desirable, permissible, or possible, excessively. For example, he is driving too fast. Next word is spaceship. A spaceship is a spacecraft designed to carry a crew into space. Another word is film. A film is a story or event recorded by a camera as a set of moving images and shown in a cinema or on television. Next is soft. Soft means easy to mold, cut, compress, or fold, not hard or firm to the touch. The first picture is a soft pillow or a soft bed, and the next picture is a soft towel wrapped around the baby. Another word is skyscraper. A skyscraper is a very tall building of many stories or floors. Let's move on to our discussion. Let's talk about to plus adjective. First, what do we mean by to? To is something more than we want or we need. So we will use to plus adjective in a sentence. For example, this cake is too sweet. Sweet in this sentence is the adjective. You are too strict. Strict in this sentence is the adjective. We can also use too plus much. For example, you have too much free time. You work too much. We can also use too plus many. You eat too many eggs, and there were too many people. Here are more examples of to plus adjective. Now we add infinitive. It can also be like that. To plus adjective plus infinitive. The fridge is too heavy to lift. The coffee is too hot to drink. He is too young to drive a car. We can also use to plus adjective plus for and then a person. That shirt is too small for him. It is too early for me. This is too complicated for us. So here in to plus adjective plus for plus person, it's alright if we omit for plus person. It's okay just to use to plus adjective. Another one, to plus adjective plus for plus person plus infinitive. Again, these are just examples to give you more information about to plus adjective. We don't limit the sentences into to plus adjective. We can add more. So if you just make sentences using to plus adjective, it's okay. So the sentences with to plus adjective with infinitive are: the coffee is too hot for me to drink. It was too wet for us to go camping. The room is too noisy for her to study. All right, now here in this sentence, the fridge is too heavy to lift. Heavy is the adjective. Next one, the coffee is too hot to drink. Hot is the adjective. He is too young to drive a car. Young is the adjective. Next one, that shirt is too small for him. What is the adjective here? Okay, very good. Small is the adjective. How about for this sentence? It is too early for me. Can you tell me the adjective? Very good. Early is the adjective. How about here? This is too complicated for us. What do you think is the adjective in this sentence? Good job. Complicated is the adjective. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. The coffee is too hot. What do you think is the adjective? Hot. Very good. It was too wet for us to go camping. What is the adjective? Wet. Very good. And the last sentence, this room is too noisy for her to study. Can you give me the adjective? Good job. Noisy is the adjective. Moving on, let's not be confused with the use of very and to in a sentence. As we all know, very and to are similar words, but we use them differently in a sentence. Okay, now, first we discuss about a very plus adjective, so you will know the difference. For example, a very plus adjective. The coffee is very hot, but I can drink it. Now, the adjective here in this sentence is hot. Okay? So here we use the word very, not to, because it is possible to drink the coffee that is very hot. Even if it's hot, it's still possible to drink it. Very here means a high degree or a large amount. Now, I will give you a sentence now with to plus adjective using the same adjective, hot. Okay, the sentence is, the coffee is too hot. I can't drink it. So here, hot, to plus adjective hot, it is not possible to drink the coffee. So when you say to and the adjective, it means it's not possible. You cannot do it. While the word very, if you use very plus adjective in the sentence, it means it is possible to do it. It means you can do it. So that's the difference between very and hot when used in a sentence. Okay, I will give you another example plus very and adjective to have to give you a clear understanding of it. The fridge is very heavy, but Mike can lift it. So the adjective here is heavy. We use very because even if it's difficult, it is still possible to do. Okay? You can still do it. That's why we use very. Now, what about to an adjective? The fridge is too heavy. Steve can't lift it. So here we use the same adjective, heavy, but we use the word to. We use the word to because it is not possible to lift the fridge. Steve cannot lift the fridge. That's why we use the word to. So there you go. That's the difference between using a very and to in a sentence. Remember, when you use very plus adjective, you can achieve it. You can do it. It is possible to do. And if you use to plus adjective in a sentence, it means it's not possible or you cannot do it. Please open your pupil's book and turn to page 84. I will read the paragraph. Please follow reading from your book too. Last summer, Mr. and Mrs. Blob and their two children had a holiday on Earth. They traveled from their planet to Earth in their spaceship. It was their first visit. Did they have a good time? They went to the beach. There were lots of people there. They went to a cafe and had ice creams for the first time. They went to the cinema and saw a film. They visited a big city. There were lots of people, cars, buses, and taxis. They went to the top of a skyscraper. They visited the zoo and saw the animals. There. So now, can you tell me what were the places that they visited when the Blob family were on Earth? Okay, 1 is beach, 2 is cafe, 3 cinema, 4 is city, 5 is skyscraper, and 6 is zoo. Let's move on to the second part. It says point to the pictures, ask and answer. So this is what we're going to do. You think of the place that the Blob family visited, and let's match the place with the pictures. So in the picture, you have words in it. So you have cold, dangerous, high, noisy, dark, and crowded. Okay, so let's begin with answering the question, and remember to use to plus adjective in your answer. You can start it with they did not like because. All right, so I will ask a question. Did they like the cafe? Answer: no, they didn't because it was too cold. Did they like the cinema? Answer: no, because it was too dark. 3. Did they like the city? Answer: no, they didn't because it was too crowded. Another question: did they like to be on top of the skyscraper? Answer: no, because it was too high. Next one: did they like the zoo? No, because they didn't. No, they didn't because it was too dangerous. It's now time to answer your workbook. Please open it to page 94. Let's make words from letters to find out and write these words 2 sentences. Number 1 is done for you. The word is hot. The sentence is it's too hot. Number 2, the word is noisy. The sentence is that is too noisy. 3, The word is big. The sentence is, it's too big for her. Number 4, the word is dark. The sentence is, it's too dark in here. Number 5, the word is crowded. The sentence is, the bus is too crowded. Number 6, the word is dangerous. The sentence is, the snake is too dangerous. Number 7, the word is high. The sentence is, the shelf is too high. Number 8, the word is soft. The sentence is, this pillow is too soft. This time, we will write questions to the answers. Number 1 is given. The question is, why didn't Jack go swimming? Because it was too cold. Number 2, it has X, so it means we will write a question in negative. Why didn't Jack eat the soup? Because it was too hot. Number 3, why didn't Jack read the book? Because it was too boring. Number 4, why didn't Jack carry the suitcase? Because it was too heavy. Number 5, why didn't Jack eat the cake? Because it was too sweet. Number 6, why didn't Jack play football? Because it was too hot. That ends our discussion for Unit 16, Lesson 2. Thank you for watching and listening. Unit 16, Lesson 3 will come up next. Wait for it.